Well, I picked up my motorcycle today. This is an update on the starting issue I had. And so it's in the 30s here today, but it was a nice day. So instead of trailing the Spyder, I drove it back, bundled up quite a bit. Nice to have heated seats and heated handlebars. That made a big difference. But anyways, it was a bad throttle body. I took it to Filers in Macedon. Again, it was all warranty work. It was fixed. Also had the Baja stabilizer bars put on it since they had it over there. And I'll do a bigger update on those in the future when we get back into full riding season here in Western New York. But it is a noticeable difference so far. It's much tighter control. I can take corners and curves considerably faster with these. I do want to just do a good, strong evaluation comparing the two. The Baja definitely it was a much beefier sway bar on it, and I'll do something more on that. But I just really wanted to give an update. The motorcycle starts right up now that I've got the new throttle body on it. Make sure I push all my buttons. Starts right up, no problem. But they said that was definitely the problem. In 2010, the throttle bodies were more cable-driven, more mechanical, and then they later changed to these ones, which are more, I guess, more electronic. Obviously, there must be some cabling in it, but they said that was clearly the problem. It was a bad throttle body. Glad it didn't happen when I was traveling somewhere, but it's been taken care of. BRP covered it with warranty, which I didn't expect them to do, and so I'm happy. Back riding, and now the bike goes into storage until we start getting warm weather. So have a good day. Just wanted to make sure everybody was updated.